Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today I Renu Tyagi going to start lesson number 5, Learning MS Excel 2010. This is the first chapter of the second term. In this chapter, first of all, we have to know what is MS Excel. Students, MS Excel is an application software to store and analyze the data. Means this is the software where we can store data in tabular form. Tabular form is this form. Means where we can store data in the table. Okay, this is the tabular form, right? In this form we can store data in the form of rows and columns. मीन्स रो और कॉलम में हम यहाँ पर डेटा को स्टोर करते हैं. Here we can also create the charts and graph from the data and convey the more meaningful information. Now we have to know how can we start the MS Excel. Steps are very simple. First of all, we have to click on start button. Start button is at the left bottom corner of the screen. In it, we have to click on all programs and then select the Microsoft Office. Then one sublist appear on the screen. From that list, click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Then Excel window appears on the screen with book 1. Book 1 is the temporary name of the document. You can also see these steps in your book. This is the start button. First of all, you have to click here. One pop-up menu appears on the screen. This is the pop-up menu. From this menu, you have to click on all program option. Then one more sublist appear. This is the sublist. Okay. From this list, we have to click on MS Office. This is the MS Office. As we click here, one more sublist appear in front of us. From this list, we have to click on Microsoft Excel 2010. As we select this application program, we get this window on the screen. Okay, this window contains various components of the Microsoft Excel. Here, this is the quick access toolbar. It is represent on the top left corner of the title bar. Okay, it displays quick access buttons of save, undo, redo commands. Okay, this is used for undo, this is used for redo, and this is the save button. And title bar also contains the temporary name of the document and application program name. This is the application program name and this is the temporary document name. And it also contains 3 controls button at the top right corner. This button is used to minimize the window. This is used for maximize or restore the window. And third one button is used to close the window. Okay, next bar is the tab bar, which contains various tabs. Okay, and these tabs are the group of commands. See the file tab. As we click on the file tab, we get various options like create, close, open, new. Okay, this type of commands we get here. Next one is the home tab. Home tab is also a group of related commands. Okay, all these are the commands of the home tab. And this is also called ribbon. What is the ribbon? Ribbon is the group of related commands, right? Under the ribbon, we get the name box. This shows the selected cell name. If means here we are looking A1. A1 is appearing here because we have selected the cell A and row means column A and row 1. So this is the address of the selected cell, and selected cell is also called active cell. What is the active cell? Active cell is the selected cell. Okay, now I write this. First bar is here title bar. Title bar is the topmost bar of the window. This is the topmost bar of the windows, which contains quick access toolbar, name of the application program, and 3 controls button. On the top right corner. Next one is a file tab. It contains file menu commands like save, new, open, close, etc. Next one is quick access toolbar. It displays quick access buttons of save, undo, redo commands. Next one is their ribbon. This contains group of related commands. मीन्स रिबन क्या है? रिबन एक ग्रुप है कमांड्स का. ये सेम टाइप्स की कमांड्स रखता है रिलेटेड टू इट्स टैब्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर फॉर्मूला बार. What does it? It is used to enter and edit formulas and perform calculations on the numeric data. It is used to enter and edit formulas and perform calculations on the numeric data. And it is also used for entering and editing the content. मीन्स अगर हमें टेबल के अंदर कोई डेटा एडिट करना है या कंटेंट को एंटर करना है तो भी हम फॉर्मूला बार का यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ देयर नेम बॉक्स. It shows the address of the active, or we can say selected cell. Next one is the worksheet window. What is it? It is a single page in Excel, which is also called spreadsheet. It is a single page in Excel, also called स्प्रेडशीट. इसी को ही जो एक्सेल का वर्कशीट होता है ना, उसी को हम वर्कशीट विंडो बोलते हैं. आपने देखा एक्सेल का वर्कशीट कैसा होता है? एक्सेल का वर्कशीट ऐसा होता है जो रोज एंड कॉलम्स में डिवाइड होता है. ठीक है, ये एक्सेल का वर्कशीट है. ठीक है, जब हम एक्सेल ओपन करते हैं तो इस टाइप की शीट हमें दिखाई देती है जो रोज एंड कॉलम्स में डिवाइडेड होती है. हेयर वी गेट द रोज नेम एंड here we get the column names, and here we get the rows name. Okay, this is the Excel worksheet, and here selected cell. Suppose this is the selected cell, then it is called active cell. Selected cell को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? Active cell बोलते हैं. Okay, next one is their status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the window is called what? The status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom of windows is called status bar, which shows various information about the file. Which shows various information about the file. Students, this is our today's class. Now see what is your homework. You have to write all reboot points in your fair notebook, but before writing these reboot points, you have to write the second term syllabus in your notebook and then do this work in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and if you have any type of problem regarding this content, you can ask in the query session. Okay, time will be given with your video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.